on our way to Terminal 2. And then we're on our way to
Julián Quiñones a bailar.
This is our first Colombian coffee. And so we're in Bogota. Now I want to eat. Colas con something, and then all that too. Experience riding the buses.
Good, we had to engage to a lot of locals.
A lot of people. So we're figuring it out. We might have figured it out. There is the market. Not much to look at from the outside. Everybody finally made it, huh? To the fruit market. You gonna go try some? No, but no. Look at that. So weird. Look, it is like cloth, like the guy said. Look at that. Mangoes. But this is a bit sour. Look at that avocado. God damn, it's huge. Crossroads. Sour, huh? So much fruit. Get open, bunny. We'll see that. Nice.
No, yeah. Next one.
I don't know what this one is, but it's super sweet. It was really hard to break.
We're just outside the market.
So fresh.
And orange.
Gross. Carrot, potato, and orange. Ugh.
Bitter one.
Do it, bunny.
Citrus.
Do it. Citrus. For a massive amount of fruit, we're going to have some arequipas and empanadas. And look at this giant avocado. Skin just peels off.
Hey guys, we're still doing a food tour. Cultural.
Doing a food tour of Colombia. Bunny, you ready to go explore? Did you like your crazy walk, Bunny?
We can breathe it.
It was crazy down there. Thousands and thousands of people. Where are we going? That way, Plaza de Bolivar. Ooh, it's big. Now we're at the Museum of Gold. And our host.
Trying to find a square to get to our free tour.
So we're in the square, waiting for our walking tour. We just went and had a little bite to eat, and we're warned again about getting robbed.
On the roof of that wall, we can, see all the graffiti that we have there.
That was Chiche Spitball.
¿Qué quieres que haga? ¿Qué quieres que haga?
This place, this is coca embassy. We're going to talk about the coca leaf and the importance of the coca leaf.
Coca cake. Where's your Coca cake?
Very fine.
Bunny,
But this is.
what do you think of the taste of coca?
5,000 years.
¿Qué quieres que haga?
Eat coca leaf. It's horrible. But it does make your mouth go numb and stimulate it.
Quiere que me alegre, pero no te das cuenta, dulce cariñito, son palabras que me hieren. Sí, mi
Kalina's high. High on coca leaves. She actually is. Oh, flan.
Or the sour notes of this plantation of the coffee. Also because we are having this variety from the...
Well, we finished the tour. Seen some art, and now we're going to go get
It was a
vegan
really good tour.
empanadas. Sick.
Tasting some other stuff.
You're having
Vegan empanada.
vegan empanada.
Really spicy sauce on top.
It's delicious.
Really nice.
The next thing, some kind of pasty. That is the hottest thing I have ever eaten. It's killing me. I'm gonna keep going. Oh. This is the dodgy part. No foreigners, and everyone keeps telling us to put our phone away and wear our bags on the front because we're gonna get mugged.
And then we filmed the square.
The square. It's cool, but everyone keeps warning us. Although, Zona Rosa. Yeah, La Candelaria was super dodgy. We witnessed the aftermath of a mugging. But now we're in Zona Rosa, which is where we're staying, and it's much nicer. Quite posh. What are they called? Yuca chips. Yuca chips. Good today, Benny.
We got to the bus stop. Bus terminal.
Going to Armenia. And tomorrow what we can do.
We're gonna fly.
We've been going for about 2 hours now, and we're on the outskirts of Bogota. Look at that, we're out of the city. Finally.
This amazing pit stop place. The buses. That's one of ours.
Hopefully almost in Armenia, huh? And this is Armenia. Well, one part of it. Almost there in Roldanillo. Now we're on a minibus. We have about an hour and a half to go. We made it to Roldanillo. Welcome, buddy. And now we're waiting for Juan to come get us and show us to our house because we got lost. And it's Sunday, so everyone's at church.
Outside the church.
Outside the church. Well, you ready to dump our stuff and go to sleep?
Yo necesito un corazón que sea sincero. Yo necesito un corazón que sepa amar. Sin egoísmo, sin mentira y sin dinero. Lo necesito para nunca terminar. Sin egoísmo, sin mentira y sin dinero. Lo necesito para nunca terminar. Yo conocí ese corazón en otros brazos, mas no me importa si la quiero de verdad. Es el amor muy caprichoso y sin fronteras. Tú me comprendes, nunca te podré olvidar. Es el amor muy caprichoso y sin fronteras. Tú me comprendes, nunca te podré olvidar. Corazón, corazoncito, corazón.